Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. And soon you will have your final exam. It will be your medical exam. And with the way our society is going, you need to pass. You don't need to fail. But you need to put back stuff that you need to use in a medical emergency. Do not rely on our medical services. You need to be able to protect and take care of your own. And you're going to need things. Yeah, you can get by ripping up some bed sheets and stopping bleeding, but having the right stuff to stop blood, having the right stuff to treat even poison ivy, to treat, you know, any type of problem. Maybe you got gas, maybe you got indigestion. Do you have what it takes in your medicine closet, your cabinet, in a tote? You have to make the decision how much you want to store, how much you want to stock. And this is for everyday use. It's also for an emergency. When 911 is there, yes, you need to be able to stop some bleeding. You need to be able to comfort someone if they've fallen off their roof. Know what to do until the ambulance arrives. But your final exam will come one day when there is no 911, when there is no ambulance. As a prepper or survivalist, can you take care of yourself? Can you take care of your family? So, the purpose of this video is you pick 3 items that you think people should have in their kit. Now, you can make it difficult. You can pick something, you know, more exotic. They don't have to be bandages, 4x4s. That's all. We assume all that. But more exotic items. Exotic items. I've done video on this many times. You know what this is. This is a disposable skin stapler. Great item. This is more an exotic item that a lot of people didn't have until I introduced them to it. The polymedical surgical kit. Really, it's a dissection kit. Can't call it surgical because that's medical. I've showed this. You guys know what it is. Both these items are back in stock. I have no idea how long they will be with the situation in China. And you got, like, I don't know why I have my fish mocks in here. That should be with my aquarium. But you get the point. Blood pressure cuffs, all kinds of stuff. Robitussin, you know what we need. So, pick 3 items. Make it a little difficult. Don't say 4x4s and gauze. We all know that. But what items are people not thinking about? So basically, you guys are a think tank today. We're going to combine everyone's brain power, come up with 3 items, and let's see if there's a lot of people coming up with the same thing. And then you judge yourself. I can't grade you. You got to grade yourself on this one. So be self-graded. Look at that list of comments. Look at those 3 items each person's going to put and say, wow, I don't have any of that stuff. I got nothing. I got a little tiny first aid kit, and then work on it. Probably some of the items you need to get. Stapler, definitely. Surgical kit. Finger pulse oximeter. Blood pressure cuff. These are things you need to have. You be the judge of what you need. Then get some training. Get some first aid training. Get some CPR training to go with that. So, final exam. Give me your 3 things. I'm going to be reading, and I'm going to see how I do. So, see if you can stump me. See if you say, oh, SP1 doesn't have these items. And if I don't have them, I'm going to thank you for mentioning them. And I'm going to try to remedy that problem to make sure I have what I need. Thanks for watching.